perhaps emboldened by the latest developments, more alleged victims of Kingdom of Jesus Christ or KOJC leader Apollo Kibuloy are coming out and seeking the help of the Department of Justice or DOJ, which bodes well for the cases that concerned government agencies are pursuing against the religious leader. Luisa Erispe has more.
The Department of Justice is now coordinating with the Philippine National Police to file additional charges against KOJC leader Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. This after other victims, aside from alias Amanda, communicated with the PNP, introducing themselves as victim of the church leader. Even the DOJ said there are others who've sought the department's help.
Sa amin din mismo, may mga lumapit na ilang mga biktima na nais din na magsalang ng kanya-kanyang mga kaso. So sa ngayon, makikipag-ugnayan kami sa PNP para tingnan kung handa na ba talaga yung kanilang mga hawak na biktima na magkaso at kami makikipag-ugnayan upang maghain ng mga panibagong kaso.
The DOJ said it is willing to refer the Witness Protection Program to those posing themselves as victims. If not, the program can still offer help or protection for them.
Yung mga iba namang biktima, kung gusto nilang maisama sa Witness Protection Program, handang-handa kami doon. Lumapit din sila sa aming tanggapan, i-refer namin sila sa WPP at sila na lang makikipagsundo, magkakasundo kung ano magiging arrangement nila.
Meanwhile, on the possible extradition request of the United States against Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, the DOJ said Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla has acquired information that the request will soon reach the Philippines. However, it will first pass through the Department of Foreign Affairs. But once it reaches their office, they will thoroughly study if the cases of Kibuloy suffice for extradition under the existing treaty between the Philippines and the United States of America. Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.